Jai Hind everyone. Today we are doing the second topic under static GK playlist, that is tiger reserves in India. So in this video we'll study in detail the number of tiger reserves and their location in each state. And in this video we'll go state wise so that it would be easier to remember what all the tiger reserves are there and in which state. So let's get started. Uh, First we need to understand what is a tiger reserve. A tiger reserve is a protected area which has been established under Project Tiger to conserve tigers and their ecosystem. So the tiger reserves are launched under Project Tiger. This Project Tiger was launched in 1973, and in India these tiger reserves are administered by NTCA, that is National Tiger Conservation Authority. So in India, there are 58 tiger reserves, and these are spread across 18 states. Now, let's go and learn the tiger reserves state-wise. The first one is Andhra Pradesh. In Andhra Pradesh, in the state of Andhra Pradesh, we have one and only tiger reserve, that is Nagarjuna Sagar. So Andhra Pradesh, Nagarjuna Sagar. And the next one is Arunachal Pradesh. In Arunachal Pradesh, we have three tiger reserves. These are Namdafa, Pakke, and Kamlang. So I'm sorry if my pronunciation is wrong, but yeah, we have three tiger reserves in Arunachal Pradesh, and these are Namdafa, Pakke, and Kamlang. Nam, Pak, Pak, Kam. Nam, Pak, Kam. So Nam for Namdafa, Pak for Pakke, and Kam for Kamlang. So these are in Arunachal Pradesh. And the next one we have Assam. In Assam, we have four tiger reserves, and these are Manas, Nameri, Kaziranga, and the fourth one is Orang. So we can remember it in this way. Manas, नाम है मेरी, मानस नाम है मेरी, काजीरंगा में ऑरेंज खाया. So the four tiger reserves are Manas, नाम है मेरी, काजीरंगा में ऑरेंज खाया में. So the four we can remember in this with this trick. So these tricks might seem silly, but at the end, what we need from these tricks is to answer the questions that we get in examination. So although they might seem silly, but it would help in a great way to solve the questions. So having tricks that are silly actually makes easier to remember things. So please follow the tricks if it helps you. So in Assam we have four tiger reserves. That is, remember the sentence. Na Manas naam hai meri, Kaziranga mein orange kaya. So from the sentence we get the four tiger reserves. That is Manas, Nameri, Kaziranga, and the fourth one is orange. And the next one is Bihar. In Bihar, we have one tiger reserve, that is Valmiki. In Bihar, Valmiki. And the next one, and the next state is Chhattisgarh. In Chhattisgarh, we have five, that is Indravati. Next one is Udanti Sita Nadi. And the next one is Achanakmar. Fourth one, Guru Ghasidas. And the fifth one is Tamar Pingla. So for this, the sentence can be Indra and Sita अचानक से गुरु के पास गए. इंद्रा और सीता अचानक गुरु के पास गए. So in this sentence we get four tiger reserves. That is Indra for Indravati, or Sita for Udanti Sita Nadi, and Achanak Mar, and Guru Gasi Das, and the fourth one is Tamar Pingla. So for Chhattisgarh, Indra or Sita अचानक गुरु के पास गए. In that we get four tiger reserves, and the fifth one is Tamar Pingla. These are the tiger reserves in Chhattisgarh. And the next one is Karnataka. In Karnataka, we have five tiger reserves. These are Bandipur, Bhadra, Kali, Nagarhole, Biligiri Ranganath Temple. So the five are Bandipur, Bhadra, Kali, Nagarhole, Biligiri Ranganath Temple. So for this, we can say it in this way. Bhadra, Nagar se Ranganath Temple gaye. Sorry, Bhadra, Nagar se Ranganath Temple gaya tha. In this we get two, that is Bhadra, Nagar for Nagarhole, and for Ranganath Temple we get Biligiri Ranganath Temple. And for Bandipur and Kali, we can remember it because I think it is easy. So we have five in Karnataka. That is Bandipur, Bhadra, Kali, Nagarhole, and Biligiri Ranganath Temple. So and the sentence to remember the reserves are Bhadra, Nagar se Ranganath Temple gaya tha. And the next one is Kerala. In Kerala, we have two tiger reserves, and these are Periyar and Parambikulam. Uh, I think Periyar is easier to remember because we have a river called Periyar which we have been studying since our childhood. So in Kerala Periyar is easier to remember, and the next one is Parambikulam. In Kerala we have two, that is Periyar and Parambikulam, and the next one is Madhya Pradesh. So Madhya Pradesh is the state that hosts many tiger reserves, and will go through all the tiger reserves. The next in Madhya Pradesh, first one is Kanha, and the next one is Pench. Uh, uh, the the Pench Tiger Reserve is spread across two states, that is Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra, and will study in both the states. But in an exam, I don't think we'll get the both options. But if there is any option, if we have Madhya Pradesh instead of Maharashtra or Maharashtra instead of Madhya Pradesh, then both can be the right answers. So in Madhya Pradesh, we have Kanha, Pench, and the third one is Bandhavgarh, fourth one Panna, fifth one Satpura, sixth one Sanjay Dubri, and seventh one Veer Ganga Durgavati, eighth one Ratapani, and fifth one Madhav. For this, it's a lame trick, but I'll try to share it with you. So Sanjay and Madhav, संजय एंड माधव पानी के लिए संजय माधव और खन्ना संजय माधव खन्ना these are three persons they are going to Durgavati temple where are they going to? They are going to Durgavati temple, and they were talking about panna means we know pannu, that is called taxes. So Sat Pura Panna Baradia, Sanjay, Madhav, or Kanna going to Durgavati temple, and they are talking about seven taxes. For seven, we have Sat, that is for Satpura, and taxes we have Panna, and the two remaining are Bandhavgarh and Ratapani. So, what are the tiger reserves in Madhya Pradesh? First, let's try to remember the sentence. Sanjay, Madhav, or Kanna are going to Durgavati temple, and in the way they're talking about seven taxes. Seven is for Satpura, taxes, Panna, and the rest two are Pench and Ratapani. So these are the tiger reserves in Madhya Pradesh. Now let's go to Maharashtra. In Maharashtra, we have first one is Melghat. The first one is Melghat, and the next one is Tadoba Andheri. Tadoba Andhari. I'm sorry if the pronunciation is wrong again. So the second one is Tadoba Andhari, and the third one is Pench. Fourth one Sahyadri. Fifth one Navegaon Nagzira, and sixth one Bhor. So here Nazira. So let's take a name of a girl, Nazira, for Nagzira. Nazira is getting bored, so she went to Ghat. Which Ghat? Male Ghat. So Ghat that has males. So Nazira, as she was bored, she went to Male Ghat, and by the time she went, it became dark. So Andhari, we can say it for Andheri, that is dark. So Nazira got bored and she went to Melghat. But by the time she reached, it became dark. It became Andheri. And the rest two are Pench and Sahyadri. So let's try to recollect. First, the sentence is Nazira was getting bored, so she went to Melghat, but it became dark before she reached. So in this, we have four tiger reserves, that is Navegaon Nazira for Nazira, and the board for Bor and Melghat. And for dark, we have Tadoba Andheri, and the rest two are Pench, Sahyadri. So these are the tiger reserves in Maharashtra. Now let's move to the next state, that is Rajasthan. In Rajasthan, we have first, let's try to see if there are any names that can be remembered easily. First one is Sarsika and the next one is Mukundra. So we can take two names, that is Sarika and Mukunda. Sarika and Mukunda, they went to Ranthambore. I think everybody is acquainted with Ranthambore as where it is. So Sarika and Mukunda went to Ranthambore. From there, they went to Ram's house, that is Ramghar. In the way, they were hearing the beats of dhol. So we try to remember all the five in one sentence. That is, Sarika, Mukunda went to Ranthambore. From there, they went to King Ram's ghar. So on their way, they heard the beats of dhol. So from this, we get the five tiger reserves. That is Sarika for Sarsika, Mukunda for Mukundra, and then the third one is Ranthambore. And the fourth one is Ramghar for Ramghar Visdari. And the fifth one is Dholpur Karauli. So these are the five tiger reserves in Rajasthan. And the next state is Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu, it might seem difficult because every tiger reserve sounds similar. So let's try different words to remember all the things in one sentence. The first one is Kalakad Mudantarai. So first tiger reserve is Kalakad Mudantarai. We can take Kalakhand. So Kalakhand. And the second one is Annamalai. Annamalai. Third one is Mudumalai. And the fourth one is Satyamangalam. So in this, we can take the word Satya, and the fifth one is Shrivilli Puttur Megamalai. So in this, we know Shrivalli. I think everybody is aware of the character Shrivalli in Pushpa character. So it is easier to remember also. So Shrivalli and Satya are having Kalakhand. So Shrivalli and Satya are having Kalakhand. And the two are Annamalai, Mudumalai. And the rest two are Annamalai, Mudumalai. So what are the five tiger reserves in Tamil Nadu? Satya for Satyamangalam, Shrivalli for Shrivalli Puttur Megamalai, and the third one is Kalakhand for Kalakad Mudantarai, and the rest two are Annamalai, Mudumalai. And so this is how we can remember the tiger reserves in Tamil Nadu. And the next one is Telangana. In Telangana, we have two tiger reserves. These are Kaval and Amrabad. Kaval and Amrabad, like Amar is bad. Who is bad? Amar. So from that we can say Amrabad, and we can remember Kaval. So these are the two tiger reserves in Telangana. And the next state is Uttar Pradesh. In Uttar Pradesh, we have four. That is Dudhwa, Amanagarh, Pilibhit, and Ranipur. So we'll try. First one is Rani. Rani is Billy. Rani is Billy. That is cat. Rani's Billy drank all the doodh in Aman's house. So Rani's Billy drank all the doodh in Aman's ghar. So Rani for Ranipur, Billy for Pilibhit, doodh for Dudhwa, and for Aman's ghar we have Amangarh buffer. So these are the four tiger reserves, and the sentence is Rani's Billy drank all the doodh in Aman's ghar. So this is the sentence, and this is how we can remember all the tiger reserves in one sentence. And the next one is Uttarakhand. For Uttarakhand, we have two, that is Corbett and Rajaji. So Raja has made a bet. Raja has made a bet. So Raja has made a bet in that Raja for Rajaji and bet for Corbett. So these are the tiger reserves in Uttarakhand. And the next one is West Bengal. West Bengal, in that we have Sundarban and Buxa. So Buxa for box, Bengal for bangles, and Sundarban for Sundar. These box has Sundar bangles. This box has Sundar bangles. Box for Buxa, Sundar for Sundarban, and these are in Bengal. So that for that bangles. And the next one is Mizoram. And in Mizoram, we have one tiger reserve, that is Dampa. So Ram went to the dam. Where did Ram go? Ram went to the dam. So Mizoram, and in Mizoram, we have one tiger reserve, that is Dampa. Sorry. So Dampa is the tiger reserve in Mizoram. And the next state is Odisha. In Odisha, we have Simlipal and Satkoshia. Simlipal and Satkoshia. For this, we can make a dish. I made a dish with Simla Mirch on Saturday. Saturday for Satkoshia. So I made a dish with Simla Mirch on Saturday. Dish for Odisha, Simla Mirch for Simlipal, and for Saturday, Satkoshia. So this is how we can remember tiger reserves in Odisha. And the next one, and the last one is Jharkhand. In Jharkhand, we have one tiger reserve, that is Palamau. So in Jharkhand, the tiger reserve is Palamau, and we can remember it as it is only one tiger reserve in Jharkhand. So these are all the tiger reserves that are in India, and currently we have 58 tiger reserves. I hope the tricks I mentioned can be useful for you. Please like the video if you like it, and share if you think your friends can benefit from this. Thank you, and we'll meet in the next video. Jai Hind.